Hey all, hope you all are fine today. I'm gonna show how to combine different files data and store it in a database. So this concept is utilized while building data warehouse concept in which data from heterogeneous sources are combined into one single database having the same schema or not. So let first create a job. Mm, let's give a name. Okay, it's creating. We will use the file list component that will look for the file that is present inside the directory. So what I will do, I have created a folder which contain various files. Let me show you the files. These are the files. All files have the same schema. Okay. Uh, so there can be any file, but we will only look for file that has emp in the starting and csvs extension. Okay, now we will use the file input delimiter. Let's connect both of them. Okay, so we need to create the metadata for these files. Okay, so let's create emp. Okay, it has a tab delimiter. Okay, I've said to read first row as column name. Until now, seems everything good. Okay. Oh, okay. Seems let's check whether the schema has been loaded correctly or not. Okay, let's check the file type. All seems to be okay. Oh, sorry. Here, let's it will be built in. Let's check. Okay, and here we need to provide the file name which the dfile list is reading in every iteration. Okay, seems all good. Everything seems fine. Now we will use. Let's just drag the TDB output. What we will do, it will take the input and save it inside a MySQL database that we have created. So I've already created. Oh, sorry. Use emp. Oh, unknown database. Okay. And I'm gonna use emp1 database. I will look all the tables that are be present. Okay. So I will use MySQL. Okay, we need to we need to provide the host where the MySQL is running. Database name emp1, I suppose. Oh, emp1. We will give a username as root. This is done to set up the connection with the MySQL. This is my password to MySQL database, but by default it's root only. let's give a table name as combined. The action I want to take is create table if not exists, insert, and the schema. So we need to create a database schema also. So let's create a connection. Mm, MySQL connection. Okay. Yeah, server 127 oh, 0.0.1 database emp1. Let's test the connection. Connection failure. HAK. Okay. Uh-huh. I've given a wrong password there. That's why it was creating a problem. So I'm gonna use repository, use connection MySQL connection. Uh, okay, I need to provide. Okay. Okay, we need to provide this. Okay. No. Create table if not exist. We need to give a table name. By default, it got a change. We need to click. Okay. Okay. Let's see schema of the database. Uh, okay. Okay. All good till now. Oh, why it's gonna change? Root emp1. Let's first set up a connection with it. Let's review whether all things are correct or not. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Okay, let's run a job first. The job is being built. Okay, let's check whether all the data is being present inside the combined table. Okay, so you can see that all the data has been combined into a table, into a database. So one more thing we can do it here. Let's remove this and I use the tlog row component. Okay, let's combine it. Okay, okay, let's see the schema. Okay, schema seems fine. Let's run this job. Okay, as you see the output, let me enlarge this. What you can see here that it is reading one one file at a time, and it is printing. It has read first file, printed its output. It has read the second file and printed its output. It has read the third file and printed its output. However, what we can do that we can combine it using a component tUnite. You can see that it merges the input into the same output. So what I will do, I will just combine it here and use the tlog row component in front of that. Okay, here we need to provide the schema. Okay, let's provide the schema here. We can choose the same schema that we have provided. Okay, let's view. Okay, everything seems good till now. Let's run the job again. Okay, one more thing. Okay, yeah. What I've done, I've printed this output in form of tabular format. So here you can see that all the file has been read, combined in tUnite section, and then we are printing. So this is it. So have a nice day. Looking forward in the next video.